ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. డెమోక్రటిక్ అండ్ నేషనలిస్ట్ రెవల్యూషన్స్ 19th century 9th class social studies bits. The term liberalism derives from English, Latin, French, none of these. Correct answer Latin. Vienna Congress was held in this year 1815, 1850, 1851, 1805. Correct answer 1815. Option A correct. Suffrage means one type of punishment, tax, universal adult franchise, properties. Correct answer universal adult franchise. The bonded laborers in France were called fathers, junkers, dala, serfs. Correct answer serfs. Who was called as people's king? William I, William II, Charles I, Louis Philippe. Correct answer Louis Philippe. In which century industrialization started in France and Germany? 18th century, late 18th century, 19th century, 20th century. Correct answer 19th century. Dash became emperor. He called himself the Emperor of the French Republic. Charles, William II, Bismarck, Napoleon. Correct answer Napoleon. Blood and iron policy belongs to the following person: Bismarck, Hitler, Napoleon, Emmanuel. Correct answer Bismarck. Half of the population of Hungarians were spoken by dash languages: Magyar, Spanish, Italian, Germany. Correct answer Magyar. The Charles of Austria was the Chancellor of Australia. Chancellor of Austria was Bismarck, Duke Metternich, Charles, Cavour. Correct answer Duke Metternich. Romanticism is a dash movement: secret, labor, culture, traditional. Correct answer culture. Louis Philippe fled away to this country as his cousin Louis XIV. Italy, England, France, Portugal. Correct answer England. Which of the following country defeated the Austria, Denmark and France country? England, Sardinia, Prussia, Italy. Correct answer Prussia. Who was coronated as the king of unified Germany in 1871? Bismarck, William I, Emmanuel, none. Correct answer William I. World's first democratic constitution belongs to French, Russia, German, Jacobin. Correct answer Jacobin. Napoleon became to the power in 1806 AD, 1804 AD, 1805 AD, 1807 AD. Correct answer 1804 AD. Option B correct. The Republic of France was proclaimed in 1868 AD, 1871 AD, 1881 AD, 1890 AD. Correct answer 1871 AD. Napoleon invaded Italy in the year 1804, 1797, 1805, 1798. Correct answer 1797. Option B correct. What was the first political experiment of democratic liberalism? French Revolution, Russian Revolution, Spanish Revolution, Italian War. Correct answer French Revolution. Which section of society created national unity in France? Priests, wealthy people, middle class, farmers. Correct answer middle class. The Dash Constitution abolished slavery in the French colonies. Democratic, colonial, Jacobin, dictatorship. Correct answer Jacobin. The language of Alpine region. English, French, German, Dutch. Correct answer German. The Italian speaking province of the Habsburg Empire. Lombardy, Slovakia, Romania, none. Correct answer Lombardy. Napoleon's administrative measures had created a confederation of dash states. 19, 29, 39, 49. Correct answer 39. A customs union was formed at the initiative of Russia in 1834. Jello-Verin, Godown Union, Tax Union, none of these. Correct answer Jello-Verin. What was the desire of the liberal nationalists? Traveling, freedom of the press, right of vote, freedom of speech. Correct answer freedom of press. German unification was not completed with speeches and functions, but it is completely only with blood and iron, was said by Napoleon, Bismarck, Cavour, Emmanuel. Correct answer Bismarck. In which of the following revolution majority of the French women participated? 1960, 1830, 1780, 1848. Correct answer 1848. The large landowners of Prussia are called Congress, Senate, Junkers, feudal lords. Correct answer Junkers. Monarchism was abolished in France in 1810, 1830, 1848, 1871. Correct answer 1871. Option D correct.